Hey folks, Miss Hollenmeyer coming at you. Really quick, we're going to go over and do a broad overview over the two types of energy that we're going to be talking about today. The first is chemical energy. You can find out more about chemical energy down below. I've included a couple more videos as well as some notes that you're going to copy and paste into your digital notebook. So what is chemical energy? Chemical energy is what we would consider fuel. It is food. It is logs that we could burn. It is gasoline that we would put into our car. It's the chemical compounds and the energy that's stored there. Chemical energy is often released through reactions like combustion, which is burning, digestion, which is where we break down food, chemical reactions happening, and other sort of chemical reactions in which release that energy and it's transformed into a usable form for us. So that's chemical energy. Again, check out the links below, copy and paste those things into your notes, and that's the first type of energy we're talking about. The second type of energy we're talking about today is nuclear energy. Again, nuclear energy is a potential form of energy. It's the energy that is stored in the nucleus of an atom. Now, nucleuses of atoms are very tight, compacted spaces, and the energy is pretty hard to get out of there. But nuclear energy accesses that and through what we call fission and fusion reactions. So fission reactions are what I like to call division reactions, because fission reactions is basically the splitting of a single atom into two smaller atoms, and through that process releases a lot of energy. Fusion reactions are where two atoms basically become one and they fuse together into one reaction, also releasing a lot of energy. Both reactions take a lot of energy to actually split an atom in a fission reaction, and to fuse an atom, it also takes a lot of energy and high speeds to cause that to happen. Where might you say, where would you see nuclear reactions happening? One place is the sun and other stars have nuclear reactions happening. The other place we would see it is in nuclear bombs. Nuclear bombs contain nuclear reactions, and that's why they're so disastrous. They release a ton of energy really quickly. And the third place, most common, is nuclear power plants, where nuclear reactions are used to then transform energy, and then that is used to transform into electrical energy. And then nuclear-powered submarines are a sort of similar sort of vein, where they're using those to fuel those submarines. So nuclear energy, it's super powerful. Check out the links below. I've included a few short videos that talk about fission and fusion reactions. Check them out. Add the notes that are below to your digital notebook. And I'm so glad you're here. Thanks for rocking it. And remember, these are all types of potential energy, which means it's stored energy. So it's energy that has the potential of being transformed and used to do work or cause change. Again, thanks for being here. Way to rock it. And I'm so glad you're here.